Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As if I am completely new to this city, I just wanted to introduce myself. Myself Liaquat Ali from Chennai. With all your permission, I request you all to please excuse me that I will also put on my mask. I was born and brought up in Chennai. I had all my education from Chennai. I hold 3 masters, one in computer application, one in education and one in business administration with education management as major. And I am into this field of education from past 13 years. I have been heading various institutions in and around Chennai. In addition to that, I have been traveling around Tamil Nadu. I have conducted n number of training sessions exclusively for teachers and for parents. See, we believe one thing, until and unless parents and teachers, we don't work together, we can't bring the progress among our children. So with this agenda, I have been very keen in establishing a very good progressive platform between parents and teachers. With this regard, I would have conducted not less than 100 workshops till now. Especially, I have been into individual student counseling and providing career guidance for those students who complete their schoolings and across the field, across all the field. And I'm also happy to say you that I have been associated with many NGOs who are working for the upliftment of education, especially in the field of education. So this is a very short brief about myself, and I have experience in handling international school, also CBSE school, and right now I'm really feeling very happy and proud to be a part of New Shams School. So I'd like to thank our management for giving an excellent opportunity to serve, to be a part and to play a vital role in the benefit of this institution. And I hope this institution has already made an establishment in this city in bringing up the children in the worldly education as well as the education for hereafter. That is the only mission of New Shams School, and inshallah, with all the support of the management, teachers, parents, and especially the front runners, the media, who are going to take this to the larger extent, we will make sure, we accomplish this vision, very soon, inshallah. As Chairman Sir has mentioned in his talk that I am into online education. Before this pandemic has even started, I had an experience of handling live classes for more than 3 years. So I have been associated into a company called as Eastman Learning Solution Private Limited, whose agenda is in order to provide virtual learning platform. So which has given me an added advantage in order to train our teachers exclusively to get used to this environment, because this platform is completely new for parents as well as teachers. So I'd like to share this with you all, that all the teachers of New Shams School have undergone intensive training from past 1 month in order to conduct live online classes. I'd like to insist that classes are completely live. So we are happy to share with you that in a week we are conducting close to 300 live sessions. In a week we are conducting close to 300 live sessions, and by God's grace, alhamdulillah, we don't have any interruption so far. So all our teachers are being trained in order to handle live classes, and right now 1 to 10th, grade 1 to 10th classes are going on, and inshallah right from 20th of June we are planning to start live classes for Montessori even. And as in line with the vision of the school, sophisticated and enhanced curriculum for Islamic studies is being introduced this year. Islamic studies is being a part of this institution from past many years, but it has been enhanced to further extent this year. In addition to that, training the students on basic Arabic language is also introduced. Especially with respect to Montessori, we are planning to conduct a lot of training session for the parents as well. because parents are the first teachers and teachers are the first parents. So with this, I would like to conclude that we have a lot of projects in upcoming year, inshallah, with only one agenda: in order to develop our children into a better citizen and better person in order to serve this ummah. So in order to achieve this target, we are taking all possible efforts, and our management is ready to extend all the supports with respect to this. And inshallah, we are planning to have a complete holistic approach in upbringing our child. And not last but not least, I'm really happy to share with you all that we are going to launch complete virtual classrooms in New Shams School in order to facilitate our teachers in order to deliver live classes with better quality. Okay, this is one advancement which I just wanted to share with you all. So I personally thank you all on behalf of the management of New Shams School for accepting our request and joining us on this time. कुछ भी उर्दू अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह कुछ ना कुछ मैं बात कर सकता हूँ उर्दू में भी. आप लोगों का सवालात कुछ हुआ तो उर्दू या इंग्लिश में मैं आपको सवाल के लिए जवाब दे सकता हूँ इंशाअल्लाह. जज़ाकुमुल्लाह खैर. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन में दो तरह का हर्डल्स होता है. पहला हर्डल जो है, हम लोग उसके लिए तैयार नहीं थे, टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स और स्टूडेंट्स. तो उस प्लेटफॉर्म का कंप्लीट ट्रेनिंग हम बच्चों को भी देना है, टीचर्स को भी देना है और पेरेंट्स को भी देना है. ये पहला हर्डल है. अगर आप प्लेटफॉर्म का ट्रेनिंग ही नहीं दिए, तुरंत आप लाइव क्लासेस शुरू करना तो बहुत मुश्किल होएगा. दिस इज़ हर्डल नंबर 1. दूसरा जो हर्डल है ऑनलाइन क्लास में, बच्चों का अटेंटिविटी. बच्चों का अटेंटिविटी के लिए, और अभी देखिए बच्चे सब क्लासरूम में नहीं है, सब उनका घर पे ही पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. तो उनका जो अटेंशन सीकिंग जो है वो बहुत बड़ा हर्डल है टीचर्स के लिए. तो इस हिसाब में हम हमारे टीचर्स को इस सजेशन दिए हुए हैं दैट यू हैव टू इन्वॉल्व देम इन लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़, ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग एक्टिविटीज़ इन ईच एंड एवरी सेशन. और ये जो कंप्लीट लाइव क्लास हो रहा है, दिट इज़ वन ऑफ द मेन एडवांटेज. और तीसरा प्रॉब्लम जो है, कोई भी अगर स्कूल का आईडी पासवर्ड मिल गया तो कोई भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं वीडियो क्लासेस में. थोड़ा इंटरप्शंस होता था, उसीलिए आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर दिस ऑल्सो विथ यू ऑल दैट न्यू शम्स स्कूल हैव देयर ओन डोमाइन अंडर newshamschool.com. This is one technical advancement which we have done this year. Or individual student account has been created and given to all the students, which is completely launched for 6th to 10th. Very soon we will be launching it for primary classes also. इसका advantage जो है वो जो कर पाएगा. So we will know who is attending and who is not, and complete attendance is being tracked, or complete offline support is also provided to the parents. सिर्फ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, लाइव क्लासेस लेके हमारा काम इधर से ख़त्म नहीं हो रहा है. सो वी विल बी इन रेगुलर टच विद द पेरेंट्स. वी विल फॉर्मुलेट अ प्लेटफॉर्म. वी विल बी इन रेगुलर टच विद द पेरेंट्स in order to guide them, train them, and in order to be complete transparent. So the first step what we are taking is, in spite of online classes, this academic year will have all activities which we used to do during regular working. We will be conducting series of online competitions for each and every month. All the assessments will also go on, and once a month every parent will receive their child's performance report, and we will customize it in such a way that every child is individual. कुछ हर एक बच्चों का अलग अलग खासियत है, अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम्स होता है, और उनका ज़रूरत भी बहुत अलग है. तो हम बच्चों का ज़रूरत समझ के उनको सपोर्ट और गाइडेंस देना है. इस सिलसिले में आई होप ऑल आवर पेरेंट्स विल सपोर्ट विद अस इंशाल्लाह. जब तक फ़िज़िकल क्लासेस का बात हुई, स्टार्टिंग फ़िज़िकल क्लासेस इट कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड ऑन गवर्नमेंट डिसीजन. हम उसके खिलाफ वी विल नॉट बी स्टार्टिंग फ़िज़िकल क्लास until and unless government is giving us any clarity. Point number 1. एंड सेकेंड चीज़ जो है, जो भी स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटर प्रोसीजर गवर्नमेंट का तरफ से हमको मिलेगा, वी विल फॉलो इट कम्प्लीटली. और लास्ट ईयर जब 9th और 10th का क्लासेस चालू करने का परमिशन मिला था, तभी भी इधर फिज़िकल क्लासेस हुआ था विथ कंप्लीट सेफ्टी मेजर्स. हम बच्चों को व्हेन वी ब्रिंग इन द स्टूडेंट्स, वी ट्रैक देयर बॉडी टेम्परेचर, उसका अलग रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन होता है. और उसके बाद वी इंसिस्ट देम टू यूज़ मास्क एंड सैनिटाइजर, जो भी एज पर द गवर्नमेंट्स डिसीजन. एंड दूसरा जो है, नंबर ऑफ़ स्टूडेंट्स इन ईच क्लास, that will also be reduced based on what is being proposed by government, based on the classroom size. So we will not make any compromises in the safety measures of our children. But we are also hoping that we will start the physical classes soon, inshallah.